Good day, everyone. Learn how to uninstall Microsoft Office 365 from Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So you do not want to install, you don't want to use Office 365? Well and good. You just need to do a right click in the start icon and you need to go to the settings. This will work on both versions of Windows. The steps will remain same. Now, once the setting is opened, we need to go to the apps, which is the sixth option from the bottom top left. So here you will find the very first option, installed apps, and here you will have the list of installed apps. And in search apps, you just need to type 365, and if it's there, if it's installed, it is the Copilot, and you will also find Microsoft Office 365. If it is there, you can remove that by simply clicking on the three dots and uninstall. Currently, it is not installed in my computer. Only the Copilot is there, right? So this is a very straightforward and very easy process. You can do that and have a wonderful day. Please hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget that. Take care. Goodbye.